Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll show you how to tint the front side marker on this Honda Odyssey. For this I'll be using vinyl tint, which is very easy to apply, and if you want to remove it later on you can do that. So I'll change the look from this to this. First step is to use painter's tape and tape around the edge of the side marker. Next, use rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. Make sure you also clean the edge along the side. Here I have a bottle of slip solution. Basically it's water and 1 drop of baby shampoo. Here's a look at a piece of the vinyl tint. As you can see, it's not very dark. This is considered a light tint. You can also get it darker if you want. On this vinyl tint, there's a liner on the bottom side. On this side, this is where the adhesive is. On the top side, there's also a protective film that you need to remove. Now you can apply this onto your vehicle. The nice thing about this film is you can stretch it. Also, if you use a heat gun, it'll soften up the material, and you can wrap it around curved edges. Cut a piece of the vinyl tint that's bigger than the side marker. Remove the liner on the vinyl tint. Spray the surface with a slip solution. Also spray the surface of the side marker. Now today is a very cold day, it's about 50 degrees. I'll use a heat gun to warm this material. Use a squeegee to squeegee the water out. Now use a very sharp knife to cut along the edge of the side marker. Now on the back side, make sure the film wraps all the way around the reflector. Use a heat gun to heat up the edge. Make sure the material is not lifted. Here's a look with the tint installed. Here's a look with the side marker light on. Here's a look at the other side. Here's a look with this side done. As you can see, using vinyl tint to tint your side marker is not very difficult at all. You can apply this tint on the front side marker or the rear side marker. The tint I chose is not very dark, but enough to hide the amber color on the lens. I think the overall look is much better than what it was before. Now if you want to do this mod yourself, I'll include the links for the material and tools used in this install in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.